How many coins did you use? Remember, you have 3 dimes and 1 nickel. Now let's count. 1 dime, 2 dimes, 3 dimes, and a nickel. That makes 4 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4 coins. Can we exchange these 4 coins to have fewer coins? So how much money do we have? 35 cents, right? So if we want less coins, let's think about our strategy in part 1. How did we figure out how to get fewer coins? So what we did was we started with the biggest coin we know of, which was what? A quarter. And a quarter is worth 25 cents. So let's go back to that strategy and try to figure out if we can exchange to have fewer coins, but the same amount of money. We still want 35 cents, but we want less than 4 coins. Oh, look, we can use a quarter, which equals 25 cents. But that's not quite 35 cents, right? That's our goal, is to get to 35 cents. So how much more than 25 makes 35? 10 cents more, right? So that's a dime. So we know that a quarter and a dime equals 35 cents. So that's the same value as 3 dimes and 1 nickel. These equal 35 cents and these equal 35 cents. But we have fewer coins with a quarter and a dime because we used a higher value coin. We exchanged our 4 coins for 1 quarter and 1 dime because we know that a quarter is 25 cents. Well, here we have, let's see, if we have 2 dimes, that's 20 cents, plus our nickel, that's 25 cents. 10 plus 10 equals 20, plus 5 equals 25. So this is 25 cents, but we know that instead of 3 coins for 25 cents, we can just have 1 coin, a quarter. So we have a quarter, and then we have a dime left over. A quarter plus a dime equals 35 cents is the same as 3 dimes and 1 nickel, 35 cents. Now, count out 60 cents using 4 dimes and 4 nickels. How many coins do you have? Remember, we want 60 cents. So we know which coins we need to use. So either take your dimes and your nickels or draw them on your paper. 4 dimes. Now 4 nickels. How many coins do you have? Hint, what's 4 plus 4? 8 coins, right? Can you exchange for a coin with a greater value? So we have 8 coins because we have 4 dimes plus 4 nickels, 8 coins. So we want less than 8 coins, but we still want the same amount of money. How much money do we have? 60 cents. All right, so how can we get to 60 cents with less than 8 coins? Think about our strategy we used so far. We start with, what did we start with? Usually we start with the quarter, right? Because it's the biggest coin that we have. And a quarter is worth how much? 25 cents. So do we have any quarters here? No, we have 4 dimes and 4 nickels. So instead of those, maybe we want to try a quarter. Can we look at our dimes and nickels and see? So we know a quarter is worth 25 cents. Can we make 25 cents out of the dimes and nickels? So look at your dimes and your nickels, and can we put coins together to make 25 cents? Yes, we can take 2 dimes and 1 nickel out of our 8 coins, and we know that that's 25 cents. Now, we can take those 3 coins, the 2 dimes and 1 nickel, and put them on the side, and we can get a quarter and put it with our 60 cents. Oh, we just exchanged 2 dimes and 1 nickel for 1 quarter. They're both 25 cents, but we exchanged them. Now, can we do that again? Or will it be too big? Let's look back at what we have left. Now we have a quarter, and now we have 2 dimes and 3 nickels left. So maybe we can take 2 more dimes out and 1 more nickel. And now that's another 25 cents, right? So we can put that on the side and grab a quarter or draw it. You can cross off instead of putting it on the side and draw or grab a quarter. So now we have 2 quarters, right? And 2 quarters makes what? 50 cents, right? So then we want 60 cents. And we have what's left? 2 quarters and what else? You should have 2 nickels left. 2 nickels. So 2 nickels makes what? 5 and 5 make 10. We know that. So is there a coin that's equal to 10 cents? Yes, the dime, right? So we can take our 2 nickels and trade them. We can cross them out or move them to the side and get 1 dime or draw 1 dime. So now we have what? 2 quarters and 1 dime. Wow. And that is equal to 60 cents. So we have only 3 coins now that make 60 cents instead of 8 coins. So our goal was to show the value with the fewest coins. We can show the value with the fewest coins. Now, part 3. Let's explore to use the fewest number of coins for a given total. How can we make 27 cents using the fewest number of coins possible? 27 cents using the fewest number of coins. 27 is close to what number? 30, right? Is there a coin that makes 30 cents? No. So maybe we want to go lower. We want to go down. 27 is pretty close to, I think, 25, right? 25. And is there a coin that makes 25 cents? Yes. The coin that makes 25 cents is the quarter. So we have a quarter plus 2 more cents because a quarter is 25, very close to 27. 25 plus 2 equals 27. So when we decompose the total into parts, when we take apart the big number and make it smaller numbers, oh look, that's kind of like a number bond, right? Could I draw a number bond with 27 at the top and then 2 bubbles, one that has 25 and one that has 2? Yes, I could. So I decomposed 27. I took it apart. I decomposed it. The total into parts, 2 parts, 25 plus 2. So when we decompose the total into parts, we can get fewer number of coins quickly by using the coins with the greatest value. The coins with the greatest value. That means the coins that are the most. So we know that a quarter has 25 cents. It has more than a dime that has 10 cents, and a nickel that has 5 cents, and a penny that has 1 cent. So we can get a fewer number of coins quickly by using the coins with the greatest value. To make change with the fewest coins possible, decompose, take apart the big number, the number with as many 25s as you can, then 10s, and then 5s. All right, so we already did that, right? Now, let's try to take our knowledge and do a problem from our problem set, just like in our workbooks. Hooray. So our problem, number 1, and the only problem we're going to do today, Kayla showed 30 cents 2 ways. So Kayla showed 30 cents 2 ways. Circle the way that uses the fewest coins. So here are 2 ways. There's part A, and then there's B. So these are 2 different ways of showing 30 cents. Now let's look at A and see how did Kayla show 30 cents in A. So here's A. It looks like a nickel, another nickel, a dime, and a dime. So maybe under here on our paper, we can write under it and write, okay, well, nickel's 5 cents. So that's 5, 5. And then a dime is 10, 10, 10. So we know that 5 plus 5 equals 10, plus another 10 equals 20, plus another 10 equals 30. Okay, cool. Now we have three what's? Dimes. A dime equals 10 cents. So we have 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. So circle the way that uses the fewest coins. Think about what the word fewest means. The fewest coins. Is it A or is it group B? All right, it's group B, right? Group B uses 3 dimes to show 30 cents. So Kayla showed the fewest coins in group B because she only has how many coins? 3. And here she used how many? 4. So 3 is fewer than 4. It's a smaller number than 4. We know that B uses the fewest coins of groups A and B. Now, let's look down here. There's another part to our question. What 2 coins from A, from group A, were changed for 1 coin in B? So look at group A and think, what kind of coins are in group A? I see 2 nickels and 2 dimes. And then in group B, I see 3 dimes. So what's different about the coins used in group A and group B? What changed? What did she exchange? Right now, I'm going to move on to the answer. If you haven't gotten what you think the answer is yet, pause your video, press the pause button, and then when you're ready, press play again. So Kayla first used 2 nickels and 2 dimes, and then she used 3 dimes. So what's the same about group A and group B? Dimes, right? Because group B only has dimes. Group A also has dimes. So maybe I could circle 2 dimes here, and I could circle 2 dimes here. But then what's different if I circled my 2 dimes here and my 2 dimes here? That means that there's 1 dime here and 2 nickels here. Oh, so what was changed? 2 nickels, which equal 5 cents each. 5 plus 5 makes 10 cents. So instead of having 2 nickels make 10 cents, I can exchange those. I can take them out and instead put in a dime because a dime is 10 cents. So a dime is equal to 2 nickels. But a dime is a higher value coin. So if I want to have the fewest coins, I can trade my smaller coins or my coins with less value, 2 nickels, for a dime. Now remember, even though nickels are bigger than dimes, dimes have 10 and nickels have 5. They have a lower value. All right. Great work today, students. Look out for our next video lesson and make sure to do your reading.